Capitulation, capitulation, guys. Everything's going to zero. Or at least that's what they want you to think. There are way too many bullish catalysts right now in the market for me to believe that the bull run is over. But while these dips are here, I am going to take advantage of it. There's some projects that I believe are doing extremely good behind the scenes, yet the price doesn't reflect it. On the flip side, there's also a lot of projects that are going to fizzle down to zero and quite frankly deserve to. We have a lot of projects that take up a lot of liquidity that really have no use case or no good team behind it. So in this video, we're going to go over the status of the overall crypto market, why I believe it is still going to be an extremely bullish bull run, and a few projects that I am keeping my eye on that I want to be getting positions in. Guys, it's going to be a great video. Let's get into it. I love you all. This never financial advice. There are some deals in the market, guys. Fear and Greed Index 35 altcoin season. It looks like it's never going to come. But before we get into this, we need to make a market cap prediction for the overall cryptocurrency. And to do this, let's use past historical data. And we're going to get into what are some extremely huge bullish catalysts. So let's just look. If we go back to this cycle, it peaked out a little bit over $800 billion. If we go to the next cycle, it peaked out about 2.9 trillion. So between this one and this one is about a 3.5 multiple. So if we do a 3.5 multiple this cycle of last cycle, that would put us at approximately $10 trillion. Now, some people say law of diminishing returns, that would be less and less and less. But what I say is this is the first cycle that we've had institutional adoption, guys. We've got ETFs for Bitcoin, very big players. This is now on the political landscape. Presidents launching meme coins, guys. This is bullish. And I honestly don't think any of the $1 trillion that has added to the overall crypto market cap over the last year, very little of that has been retail. This has been all institutional money going forward. And I believe there are some very bullish catalysts that are going to propel us up. One of them is the proposed 0% tax rate for US-based cryptocurrency to boost blockchain innovation. And that is why I believe this sector right here, top made in America coins, are going to be very, very huge. And I want to go over some of those right after we take a look at Bitcoin. You see, a lot of people have been saying that last cycle we had a 40% drop, and that is true. We did. But if you take a look, whenever we came up, we barely passed that all-time high by like a slither, 5 or 6%. So that essentially was the end of the market as far as price. But this did make a altcoin rally. But if we come over here and go from right when it started going up to the top if price, it was 182 days. And if we go from that same point to about the end of what most would call the bull run, it was about 400 days. Whereas if you come here and you go here to where we are now, that is 480 days. This is a lot healthier. If something goes up very, very quick, it is going to come down very, very quick. But we had a lot of consolidation right here when we were forming out that bull flag. And I see the same thing happening now. People are saying diamond pattern. People are saying that we're going down. But what I see happening is something kind of like this. And it could lead us down to $75,000. We could do this. We could have some pumps, and it could end up coming down to this range right here. If you look at this top right here, if we were to draw a line on it, you could see that it comes right around the $74,000, $75,000 range. So I could totally see us go ahead and consolidating out here for another 3 or 4 months, staying in there before we get a big pump. But I believe it will break out sooner than that. We also have not just that, there's tax returns coming up in April, but there's just so much pro crypto things coming up. And I want to go to a recent tweet that I posted. And there are so many bullish catalysts for crypto. Crypto pro legislation, adoption of blockchain technology, advancement to bring regular folks on chain. We see everything that Base Chain and Coinbase are doing. Think about it. NVIDIA has a larger market cap than the entire crypto economy, guys. And we're currently sitting at a fear and greed index of 35. People are scared right now when the overall market cap of crypto is worth less than one big company in the stock market. That is crazy to me. We are so early. Businesses are going to be completely built on chain. Government record keeping has been talked about being done on chain. I believe within 10 years, it'll be at least a $25 trillion asset class. So what am I doing? I don't care if it goes up or down short term, guys. I'm finding real world utility, real world applications, and real communities. So that's exactly what I want to talk about. One project that is on a huge dip right now. A lot of people didn't think it would break a certain level, and it did. And that is no other than Kaspa, guys. This is a proof of work cryptocurrency. Just like Bitcoin was proof of work, Ethereum used to be proof of work. This is the most secure type of blockchain technology there is, and they're about to have smart contracts. They already have meme coins or KRC20s, which could easily come out to be utility coins, and they just are building. When we take a look at it, it's had a dip all the way down. I bought it at 0.075. It doesn't even register on here. I bought 100,000 of them, and now it is dipping down lower. It looks like we are going to get at least a double bottom, if not another low, and I'm perfectly okay with that. A lot of people are crying. A lot of people are scared. But what I'm hoping for is that we come down here, hit this level of 5 cents. I am going to be here for it. We have a lot of support right here in this 8 or 9 cent region. So we will see what we do. But this is not one that I am fading, sitting at a $2 billion market cap. If it just got to a slither of what Solana is, and it has more capability of Solana once they get smart contracts, it is going to be a millionaire maker. I'm so bullish on Kaspa. If you look at this, Solana currently sitting at a $92 billion market cap. You go to Tron, who the heck uses Tron? $20 billion market cap. It's something that has so much more potential and utility, is sitting down here at 46 in overall market cap at a $2 billion valuation. But meme coins have been getting absolutely hit very hard, and the majority of them are going to fall off, go to zero. You're going to lose all of your money. But there's one community that is stronger than any other community in cryptocurrency, and that is no other than Turbo Toad Token as the first AI-generated meme coin. This right here started it all before AI memes were AI memes. Before that was cool. And it is down here at a $250 million market cap. This is so incredibly low. And if you see right here, it is at a crucial level, guys. The fundamentals of Turbo have not changed. The community has not changed, but it is at a crucial level right here. This 0.0029 level has to hold, or we could potentially see a lot more downside, guys. Not being bearish, I'm just saying, if you look at this, to the next level of support is an additional 50% drop, which would take it down to 0.0013. And if that happens, that doesn't change anything about Turbo. Like I always say, when the price is going down, ask yourself, did the team change? Okay, no. Did the community change? Okay, no. Did the fundamentals change? Did anything change about the project? If not, it's the same project you were bullish about when it was doing a 10x. It is just at an extreme discount right now. So Turbo is one of the few meme coins that I do believe are going to be around for a very long time. But you see this down 60% on the month. This is looking nothing like a meme coin super cycle like this guy told us about. Someone needs to tell him he tricked us. But no, seriously, I think it's all going to turn around. But there's one chain that I'm extremely bullish on. This is a layer 2 built on Ethereum, backed by no other than Coinbase itself. This is Base Chain, and the #1 decentralized exchange on that and liquidity provider is Aerodrome Finance. Guys, y'all know I was originally talking about this on the channel when it first got listed on Coinbase as an experimental asset, around 15 million in overall market cap. The central trading and liquidity marketplace on Base Chain. When you look at it, they have a TVL of over $1 billion, monthly volume of $30 billion. They're generating $33 million in fees and almost 500,000 users. And when you take a look at it, Aerodrome Finance is down to 90 cents. It has hit highs of $2.30. Now, this is an inflationary project. So we really have to look at the overall market cap to see how it has changed. So the overall market cap is down about 55%, where the price is down a little bit over that. So it's just always important for inflationary projects to really look at market cap, not just raw price, because it's inflated a lot since this $2 were hit. There's a lot more tokens in circulation, but that's currently sitting at less than a $700 million market cap with a volume of 43 million. But like I said, with no taxes for US-based cryptocurrencies being potentially in check, there are some very good cryptos that I want to watch out for. Sui, I believe, is going to continue to run, guys. This is a very good layer one backed by the folks that were at Meta or Facebook. Hedera HBAR, they're working on tokenization of assets. That is just an absolutely great play. Anyone who's been in the Freeman Finance family for a period of time know that we've been in that since about 5 cents. Ondo, almost back to $1.25, guys, sitting at a little bit over a $4 billion market cap. Near Protocol and Render, very good higher cap AI plays. But when we go take a look at this, guys, a lot of these memes are going to die. Pudgy Penguin sucked billions of liquidity out of other memes, ran up to multi-billions, and it is probably just going to continue to go down. A lower mid-cap AI project is Akash. This is very similar to Render in what they are doing. It is different, but it's similar. They could be compared. Less than a $500 million market cap. If we take a look at this one, you can see it had highs of $7.50 back in 2021 before nosediving down to 18 cents, and it recently had highs of $6. You can see it has hit about a $1.5 billion market cap, down 66% since then. But if you have conviction in cryptocurrency, this is just you're at a yard sale, guys. You're at a fire sale. Everything's for sale, 95% off. But what are you buying? These are the things that I am looking for. I recently bought a big bag of Kaspa, as you guys know, but I'm curious. Let me know some low cap gems. I'm always looking to advance my portfolio with some real communities or real utility. Watch this video up above, and if you're not a part of the Freeman of Finance family, what are we doing? Subscribe. I love you all.